Through internet, we can share information and communicate from anywhere through the internet connection. We can also order some food items and purchase new or things, anything from internet which can delivered by at our phone.
Okay, I think it's time to listen to thoughts on internet. For that, I would like to call Sujit Kumar from Chennai. We are in our
Good afternoon to all of you, respected principal sir, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Sujit Kumar from Ashnasik. Today I delivered out. Today my topic is internet. The internet is a gift of technology. Use it but do not misuse it. I repeat my thought. The internet is a gift of technology but do not misuse it. Thanks.
Thanks, Sujit, for telling us such a precious thought. Dear listener, Sujit has stated that internet is a gift of technology. Use it, but don't misuse it. As you know that every second two pages, a coin and two pages highlighted. Just like internet has also two pages. There is the use of internet and misuse of internet. According to me, every group of people influenced by the internet. They are using social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Their excessive use of internet leaving a very adverse effect on the students and as health and mentally also. They are not concentrating on their studies. That's why they are marking very less. You can take me example also. In this Corona time, I have focused so much on internet. That's why I obtained second position in my class. I'm very sad for that, but it's not matter. I have controlled the users of mobile and you should also control the users of internet. Now it's time to listen briefly users of the internet. For that I would like to welcome Anna Kumari from Standard 8.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Tamanna Raj from Standard 9. I would like to give a speech on usage of internet. The internet was first created to store research information for scientists to access them at any time or from any place. The medium of internet are entertainment with movies, sounds, video, etc. The internet was converted our world into a small city. Without internet, our world would move slowly nowadays. Thank you.
Thanks, Tamanna.
Now I would like to ask some questions from Zakaria. So, do you know this is another name of internet?
Sorry, I don't know what is the other name of internet.
Okay, World Wide Web is another name of internet. Let's see my friends up here. So, next I would like to call Simpiri from class 9. Please come here and all got welcome her with your clap.
We are not for us.
Good afternoon to all of you, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Simpiri. I am from Standard 9. Today my topic's name is Internet. The Internet has made human beings so easy today that now sitting at home, a person can do almost all the work of world through the Internet. Even now, as far as human beings can think, they can also do the help of internet. The importance and usefulness. The importance and usefulness of the internet.
Thanks, Divya and Nathan. I think that you need to prepare next time, right? Now it's time to listen some news what happening around us. So I would like to call our today's news reporter Ankit Kumar from Channel 7.
Please welcome me to class.
Let's do one today's hot and exciting news.
Good afternoon, respected directors of principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Ankit Kumar, Channel 7. Today I will say that I tell some important news. First news, national news. CIA chief Russia NSA, NASA and Delhi for calls on Afghanistan. Second, BJP can call to Taliban but not Parliament State Congress. Third, conversion case Supreme Court argued had till September 30. Fourth, anti-national activities. Jharkhand cops released video of what transcribed to the Hillary home post in day. Second is 14. Australia and England had all round Shardul Thakur and Ravinder. India T20 World Cup aspired the top contest. India and England Rohit Sharma takes in higher place. And the whole court Sir Thakur as man of Watford, India 4 September and faced against England. International news, Indonesia prison hired kills a 41 drug related in 1999. And Putin says he is Swedish. China will try to work out arrangement with Taliban. Third, Taliban fires out to disappear proposed to the Kabul. Third, around 1,000 citizens other days for anticipation trial and Afghanistan.
Give us knowledge what is going around the world. So, next I would like to call
Abhinav Kumar from Channel 7. So we are
Good afternoon, principals or teachers and my all children. My name is Abhinavra Redindula. I will in class 6. My topic name is Internet. Internet can be defined as a global network of computer systems that interconnected or parallel to the Internet protocol. Through the Internet, this stage expanded to almost realms such as private, business, education, etc. It has proved itself as an amazing platform to search information of all kinds. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinav. I have seen Abhinav from starting the family. He is very excited to delivering this speech. I think that this excitement should be in every member. I have seen when I am going to write number, Bhaiya, you write in my house, you write in my house. What is this? You need to prepare for speech, like Abhinav. Now start to listen our senior, Jintu Kumar from Channel 7 on the internet.
Please welcome me to class.
Good afternoon to all of you, teachers, professors, and my dear friends. My name is Jintu Kumar Chandan and my topic is Internet. One popular developers invention by the human brain is that to recharge the Internet. The Internet is a revolution for the age from the working styles and the living. It helps that we requires that will so as I taken the 1,000 so as to use the internet. Then we connected to the internet. Then we have that. Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Now I ask one question from Shankar Bhaiya. So, what is biggest advantage of internet? Please tell me.
Means internet has lots of advantage. As you see in Corona time, internet helps us in various things, just like online exams, online teaching, and many things, marketing, gaming, etc. The biggest advantage of this is help in education. You can find almost every book on the internet, but today's youth, instead of learning from internet, they are doing misuse of internet. They are playing online games, active on social media, and doing the wastage of their time.
Yeah, right. Internet also give us the information with click of a button. So next I would like to call.
Yes, you have said that internet gives information on the click of finger. Internet has made this world very smaller. On the one finger you can access any corner of the world with the help of one finger. And social media is one of the important part of the internet. For explaining the social media, I would like to call Pranay Anand from Channel 8. So give a big round of applause for him.
Good afternoon to all of you respected teachers and all adjustments. My name is Pranay and I read in class 10th today at topic is social media. Social media is a sound. If I was to share images, video, etc. A person can access social media through a computer, tablet or smartphone. Using social media is a very powerful way to communicate every person in the world. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to the respected teacher and my elder friends. I am Mohan Kumar from Channel 6. Today I deliver a teacher. My topic name is internet. Internet. One of the best invention of the internet by human beings. It is like to be the internet. The internet has revolutionized from age, just watching a class and living. It helps us to reduce the distance and overcome all mental barriers. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. One of us giving a speech on internet. As we know that internet is used for various purposes. In one of these purposes entertainment. In this time, web series, I think that you all know what is web series. Web series are quite among it to the youth. Various online platforms creating their show and releasing their online. Just like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar reality, lots of, I think that everybody knows. These are the one of the best platform on the best online platform where you can enjoy the show and entertain yourself. Now it's time to listen our Vice Captain Chandni Kumari from Channel 8. You will be on a flight for that.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teachers and all my friends. My name is Chandni Kumari. I am in class 8. My topic name is internet. Some decades ago, video calling was a fantasy. The internet has made it a reality. If the way of collecting knowledge. Video conferencing is one of the best use of internet. Thanks, Ranvi. So now I ask one question from our captain of our house. So, what is the disadvantage of internet, Bhaiya?
I think that you have prepared at home lots of questions. Disadvantage of internet mainly affecting the students' life. The students are so busy in the internet. They are browsing lots of extra activities on the internet. It's like they are playing online games, PUBG, Free Fire, this type of thing. They are affecting their studies lots of, and they are affecting their health and study as well.
Yeah, right. And internet also leaks the data and our personal information through wires.
Now we have listened to all the speeches, and all the speeches are very well. But today's center of production means winner is Tamanna Kumari from Stranger. Can you give a round of applause? We have a golden opportunity to call a teacher. Let's see.
Thank you for calling me.
Thanks to calling me, I would like to call Manu sir.
Yes, we are really excited to listen, Monitor. Monitor. Sorry, Monitor is not present today. So I would like to call Sonu sir.
To all of you, I feel very happy when students actually choosing the topic that is more popular nowadays. Just like if you have to imagine the today's world, then it cannot be imagined the easy life in the today's world without the internet. Because internet is not only the system of communication or the system of enjoyment. It is the basic needs for the human beings nowadays. If you have to transfer the money, if you have to be a business, if you have to be any transactions, and if you want to purchase the normal products from the good grocery and some uniforms, dress, anything, you actually use the internet by using the various applications. That's why the topic internet is very, very good for the assembly purpose. And you have to also understand that every point has two portions, head and tails. Similarly, on every topic, on every systems have also two parts, good and bad. First one, the internet has some drawbacks also, but it is dependent on our mindset. How do I have to use the internet? If you have to use it in a good direction, then it is useful for you. If you have to not use it in a good direction, then it is not useful for you. So I request to our students, you have to try to use everything in a good directions. Similarly, teachers have also two parts, good and the bad. But you have to choose the good one. You have to choose the good quality of the teachers, and you have to ignore their drawbacks. It is the basic quality of the students. You know that one teacher can't teach all subjects, but one student can read or study all subjects. Even what? Teacher is only a scholar in one subject, but the
that you will be the scholar of all subjects. That's why you have to study all subjects by our different teachers. So it's your responsibility that you have to select the good ones quality from the teachers, and you have to ignore theirs bad, ignore the other sides. Thank you very much.
Thank you sir, for addressing the students. As I think that you have learned lots of things from today's assembly. So stand for our national anthem. So everybody, attention!
After national anthem.